Top 7 Best Mouse for Drafting in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Logitech MX Ergo. The scroll wheel can not only rotate, but you can also tilt it to left and right, which is great for navigating in 2D and 3D space. This mouse also supports multiple computer workflow, which means you can connect with multiple computers with the push of a button. You can switch between computers to perform the usual tasks or even for copying and pasting between connected computers. It has a smooth trackball near the thumb with an adjustable cursor speed/precision button right on top of the trackball, which lets you control the precision or the DPI of the mouse. This mouse has a maximum DPI value of 2048, which is more than sufficient for most of the CAD workflows. Number 6. Logitech G600 MMO. With the G-Shift button near the scroll wheel, the total customizable button nearly doubles, as you can assign a different function to the same button when clicked with the G-Shift button pressed. You can program these 12 buttons as well as the other 8 buttons using Logitech G-Hub software. It has a middle scroll wheel with tilt support, which means you can also tilt the scroll wheel to move horizontally in your 2D or 3D space. Another distinguishing feature in this mouse is its third ring click button, which is next to the right click, and can be used to assign any dedicated function like panning or drawing. It is kind of like the 3D Connection CAD Mouse dedicated middle scroll wheel click button. As you can imagine, for a CAD user, a dedicated pan button is a big deal. At least for me it is. This mouse also supports a maximum of 8200 DPI resolution, and you can easily switch between 5 DPI modes. It's a wired mouse, so no need to replace batteries or charge it frequently. Number 5. Razer Basilisk V3. The mouse has 10 programmable keys. The scroll wheel supports smooth and ratcheted movements, and you can even set the scrolling resistance in this mouse as per your preference. The scroll wheel also supports the horizontal tilt function, just like other Logitech mice we covered in this article. You can program mouse keys using Razer Synapse software. You can also take advantage of Razer Hyper Shift functionality, which will let you assign an alternative key function to every button when the secondary key is pressed, making the total number of programmable keys to 20. As it's a gaming mouse, it comes with RGB lights, which you may or may not like based on your taste. But it will never interfere with your productivity, as it's a wired mouse that does not consume battery for the lights. You don't need to worry about battery consumption or recharging it either. The wire is sturdy but not stiff, so it won't interfere with mouse movement, and the wire is braided as well. The mouse has an impressive 26,000 DPI sensor resolution, which is certainly one of the best, if not the best in its class. Number 4. Logitech MX Master 3. The thumb scroll wheel lets you scroll horizontally, and using thumb buttons you can add additional features, as it is completely programmable. With multiple workstation support, you can connect it with multiple computers, and with the click of a button, you can switch between these workstations. And you can even copy-paste data between these workstations. The mouse supports up to 4000 DPI sensor resolution, which can be adjusted in an increment of 50 dp as per your requirement, and it can be used to track on any surface, even when it's very smooth like glass. Another differentiating factor other than the scroll wheel is USB Type-C charging. Yes, this mouse has an inbuilt battery, and you can charge it using a USB Type-C cable. With one full charge, it lasts 70 days, and with 1 minute of charging, you can work for 3 hours. It works with Windows, Mac, and even Linux. You can connect it with your workstation using a unifying USB receiver and Bluetooth as well. Number 3. Logitech G604. This is a popular mouse that is mostly used by gamers and, of course, CAD professionals. It has a very ergonomic design with a large size that fits in hand comfortably. It's made with high-quality rubber-type material, which provides great grip. It also has a smooth and ratcheted spin metal scroll wheel that can be tilted to left and right as well, and hence you can use it to navigate in any direction in 2D or 3D space. It has 15 programmable keys that can be programmed for any CAD software. You can easily program view controls, frequent commands, and more using Logitech G-Hub software. It supports up to 25,600 DPI resolution, which can be adjusted with G-Hub software. It supports light-speed connectivity with its receiver, and you can also connect it using Bluetooth. It runs on an AA battery, which lasts up to 240 hours ideally, but can be extended in Bluetooth mode for up to 5 months. The only downside connected with this mouse is that it's available only for right-hand users. Number 2. 3D Connection SpaceMouse Pro. This is a secondary mouse that should be used along with a 3D Connection CAD mouse or any other standard mouse. It is not a standalone mouse. It has an ergonomic design and comes with a wrist pad for supporting the hand. This device is best suitable for 3D CAD users who need to navigate in 3D space frequently. With its 6 degrees of freedom, you can easily navigate in 3D space and position cameras as if you are holding the object in your hand. The 4 function keys on SpaceMouse Pro are assigned automatically to frequently used functions as per your software, and you can also program them using the 3D Connection software. The keyboard hotkeys like Enter, Shift, Control, and Alt are available on the SpaceMouse directly, and you can use these keys from SpaceMouse directly, limiting hand movement. It also has dedicated view buttons for switching views like the top, front, and isometric. It has both the wired and wireless versions, and it has an inbuilt battery that lasts about 2 months on one full charge. Number 1. 3D Connection CAD Mouse. I switched from a standard mouse that comes with a Logitech MX 150 keyboard mouse set to 3D Connection CAD mouse about 3 years back, and since then it's the only mouse I use for all my CAD workflows, and I'm never going back to using any other mouse. It's ergonomic and fits very comfortably in hand. It has a dedicated middle wheel click button, which I've found extremely useful for panning drawings as it replaces pressing and holding the middle wheel, which is a great advantage considering long hours of work. There are also dedicated zoom keys near your thumb, and you can also use the standard mouse wheel for zooming in and out of your geometry. Apart from left and right click, all the other buttons can be programmed using 3D Connection software. So, in total, you get 5 programmable buttons that can be assigned to dedicated commands as per your CAD software. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best mouse for drafting in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.